In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Salesforce. Let's get started right from the Salesforce home screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your Salesforce homepage. This layout can vary slightly depending on your organization's setup, but you should always see a main navigation area and a side panel on the left. On that left-hand side panel, look for the option labeled Accounts. This is where Salesforce stores information about the companies, organizations, or major clients you work with. Go ahead and click on Accounts. When you do, Salesforce will take you to the Accounts tab, where you'll see a list of existing accounts along with some filters and actions. Now, to create a brand new account, move your attention to the top right corner of the Accounts page. There, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on New and a pop-up window will appear. This is the form where you'll enter all the details for the new account. In this pop-up, the only field that is strictly required is the account name. This is the name of the company or organization you're adding. Take a moment to type in a clear, recognizable name so you and your team can easily find it later. Below and around the account name, you'll see several optional fields. These include fields like website, type, and description, which help categorize and describe the account. You might also see a parent account field, which is useful if this account is part of a larger organization structure. Further down, you'll find contact and address information. This typically includes phone, billing country, billing street, billing city, billing zip or postal code, and billing state or province. Salesforce also gives you matching fields for the shipping address, shipping country, shipping street, shipping city, shipping zip or postal code, and shipping state or province. If billing and shipping details are the same, you can simply repeat that information to keep everything consistent. Fill in as many of these fields as you have information for. The more complete your data is, the more useful your reports and searches will be later on. Once you're done entering the account name and any other details you want to capture, look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Save. After you click Save, the page will reload and automatically open the New Accounts page, showing you all the information you just entered and confirming that the account has been created successfully.